Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Open Settings App's optional features or press Windows key and type Control Panel to access programs and features. You need admin rights. If UAC asks, except so checks can run. Once you've opened programs and features, click Turn Windows features on or off to view installed. NET versions. This first step shows common NET packages. Checking here is fast and avoids registry risk. Make sure to note which entries are checked before continuing to deeper verification. Next, verify precisely. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run .NET Info to list NET Core and NET5 plus runtimes. For NET Framework, run reg query hklm/software/microsoft/net framework setup /ndp/s to see exact v4 x releases. These commands show build numbers and install paths, which matter for compatibility. Once done, cross-check the released word against Microsoft release tables or compare runtime folder dates. Make sure to record version numbers for troubleshooting or app requirements. To finish, if you installed or enabled a framework, reboot Windows to finalize registration and bindings. Many apps require a restart to detect changes. Once restarted, rerun .NET Info or the registry query to confirm success. If an application still fails, run Programs and Features, select the framework entry and choose Repair or reinstall the specific runtime. One tip: if versions don't appear, run SFC and DISM to fix corruption, then rerun checks. This often resolves missing registry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.